Welcome back to Hiker Grove channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I got my my sidekick Maya.
Hello.
My youngest daughter. She's the champ. We're walking up Skirrid, which is not a massive hike, but it's still a nice place to go.
It's the first mountain we ever did.
Yeah, last year, the first mountain we ever did. So we're going to get up there and have a little, well, we call it stomping, don't we?
Yeah.
We're going to get our stomp on. But yeah, so we're here. And the aim is to go up there.
There's a pond.
There's a little pond.
There's a bench.
There's a bench. But yeah, so it's a nice day. We've got good weather. Feeling good, feeling great. And we're going to stomp on it and we'll let you know how it goes on our travels. See you in a bit. Peace, dog. So this is the first part of the hike, walking up this path. And then you come to these gates and you can choose your route from here. I think there's 3 different ways you can go from this side. So we can either go this way, or we can go this way.
I think we should go that way.
Yeah, sad times because we're going to go this way.
Cheek of it all.
The cheek of it, mate, the cheek of it.
Got me. Was that an egg in the tree?
No, it's a bag of dog poo.
I remember this bit.
If you could name 5 things that you like about hiking, what is it, Floss?
Okay. Sheep.
Sheep.
Loads of
Number
sheep.
1, sheep.
They're called moving rocks, by the way.
Moving rocks, yeah.
The view.
Yeah, the views. That's number 2, is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Hang on, let's have a look. Number 2 is the view.
Meeting people on the way is number 3.
Number 3, meeting people.
Number 3 is like doing it with people as well. So.
Yeah.
And then number 4, oh crikey. Probably like the experience of going up the mountain and experiences that you've never experienced before.
Yeah.
And number 5, gosh.
Last but not least,
probably the top.
getting to the top.
Yeah. It makes you feel like you've achieved something.
Yeah.
And it's just fun in general.
It's quite a quick walk, this one.
I'd say 30 minutes if you like stomp it. Probably 50 minutes in general.
Yeah, maybe a bit longer, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
Okay. What's the highest time you've ever done?
I don't know, I'd have to check the Strava.
Always turn the Strava off like when you get in the car.
Yeah. Yeah, we've done that a few times. Forgot to turn the Strava off and then get halfway home and realise we broke multiple world records.
Yeah.
That don't count. the top of the trig. This is Skirrid. If you want to have a little dance at the top of the mountain, that's the way to do it. So now we're on our way down. We're going to go a different way. We've never been this way before.
I think
It'll be good.
it's good. New view.
New view, new outlook. Just walked down a really steep part of the mountain and
My jumper's ruined.
jumper's ruined, but
Yeah, all worth
got
it.
through it. We got through it,
Yeah.
and now we're going to go this way, and then I think it takes us around the side through a woods, and then we'll be back to the car. So yeah,
And then have a donut.
and have a donut. Yeah, so this is an alternative route down the mountain that we've not done before.
Probably the best way.
Yeah, definitely the most scenic,
Yeah.
like different stuff, isn't it?
My favourite part was probably,
Getting back to the car and eating a donut.
yes.
This is a good little way, I've got to be honest. It's a wicked way down.
There's a door right there.
kind of a gate. It's not really a door, but
It's a metaphor.
a metaphor.
Yeah.
A metaphor for a
Oh,
door.
it says we can't go in there.
Yeah, I'll just show everyone the door,
The amazing door.
which is actually a gate.
Mm.
But obviously it's a metaphor for a
It's
door,
a
isn't it?
door. There it is.
Wooden track of dreams.
I leave you with the stick of life.
The stick of life.
It's wobbly. After you, sir.
Thank you. To get back to the car, to have a couple of donuts. So all in all,
Very good.
win. We just went up Skirrid. We parked here, walked up there, all the way up here.
And then we got to the peak, and then we went down here.
Went straight down there and around that way and down.
And then we got to here again.
And that is where we are. Right, that is it. We're back at the car. Mission complete.
Oh, comprendo.
Comprendo. We have the
Greg's.
donuts.
We're having these two at the bottom.
2 at the bottom. Yeah, it was a good little stroll today. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it.
Make sure to subscribe.